strike.
अभी नहीं दिखा रहा, चेंज द बैटरी बोल रहा है ना अभी भी, अभी नहीं दिख रहा ना लो बैटरी, इट्स गेटिंग रिकॉर्डेड ना।
Again turn towards the short mid wicket. Good bowling by Haji there.
काम करना था ना,
Not giving the batsman anything to play with.
मतलब थोड़ा बाजू में कर सकते हैं। नको नको कुछ भी मत कर
Picked up by Srikar. Ikkada 2. The batsmen have taken only a single there. Batsmen are playing cautiously. No need to take any chances. It's a beautiful start by the batsmen. They can take their time and hit the long boundaries. Again, beautifully turned towards the mid-wicket area and then a single taken by Mukarram. He looks like a man on a mission.
मैन ऑन द मिशन, व्हाट अ फ्रेज मैन।
Mukarram has turned on the autopilot mode, not taking any chances, just donating this back to Srikar.
बोलते रहते रहे सेट है, वो असिस्ट बोलते तो असिस्ट करते हैं।
Again, well played by Srikar towards the boundary area, just turned towards the boundary. And it's a good fielding at the boundary, stopping the boundary there by the fielder. And 2 runs easily taken by Srikar there.
Nice running, guys.
Good running between the wickets by the Mavericks batsman there, taking 2 runs out of it. Syed Haji missing his line there, bowling on the bats to Srikar, who turned it towards fine leg for 2.
Next देखो अमेरिकन मंगल किसी के पास 2 व्हीलर है तो दिवा यार भाई कार होंगे ना भाई जुवी के पास होंगी जुवी 2 व्हीलर है
Beautiful ball by Mukarram. Hurrying Srikar to take the single and single stolen by the Mavericks batsman there. Get in front of the wicket and then running for the single.
110 रुपए की आती 120 रुपए की आती
अमेरिकन डब
भाई अमेरिकन तो भैया नहीं मिलेंगे।
हाँ अमेरिकन खाएगा तो गुल्ला में मिल जाएगा।
Again, turn towards the point area, that's beautiful batting by Mukarram, and then there's ball falling just between the wickets. They call for 2 and they ran for 2.
जब इसको पैसा मांगते हैं मेरा
The throw was not on the stumps, it was in the middle of the pitch, so the batsmen were easy. They were strolling for the second run, there was no need to hurry as well. The throw could have been better. After 8 overs, Mavericks are 69 for no loss.
नाइस गोइंग गाइस
इधर है बैग आपका कलर 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 ब्लैक कलर का है हां वही से ए ये दादी मोड़ा कल चीनी दिए ज्यादा कुत्ता भी अब भी नहीं है ना जी राइट साइड का दे भैया
A good length bowler after to start with. A nice little aggression being shown by the bowler there, hinting the batsman that if you come out of the crease, I'll hit the stumps.
बैटा का है ले आवाज गान में चल करके छोड़ दरा
थोड़ी के बोसा दे
वो लेके आ बस से तू अमेरिकन डब्बी लेके आ
ये अमेरिकन डब्बी के वो काला बैग देखो
ये लेके आ
Again, on a good leg, beautifully driven straight by Srikar for a single.
नाइस शॉट नाइस शॉट
नहीं मिली भैया
कोसी की समझ में नहीं
Looks like Srikar is back.
कार है मेरे पास
कार लग जाता क्या होता है हाफ किलोमीटर अरे हाफ किलोमीटर आपको बैठ के ले तो चलो
अंदर है
The bottom of the bat coming cleanly off.
अरे भाई बैट बोलना
Srikar changing his bat. Ball is flying long, short over there. The bat is trying for a direct hit. There was no direct hit there. And it is stopped for an overthrow. It looks like Mukaram has been injured in the process of taking that single. Could be as minor as cramps. Nothing that a bottle of water could not do.
कौन सा बोल रहा हूँ तुम्हारा कार का चाबी तो तुमको भी लेके चापा के देता हूँ विश्वास नहीं है काटा भी नहीं आता भाई विश्वास करके देखो आता है लाइसेंस भी है मेरा
ऑटोमेटिक गाड़ी है
मालूम है जी
Mukaram feels like he's okay.
यहाँ से यहाँ तक
Thanks to the umpire.
सेंसर सिस्टम सेंसर आ जाता है
Great ball by bowler there. Aftab has been trying really hard to keep the batsman quiet. He's bowling on tough lengths to the batsman, not giving away any room to free their arms. A full ball by the bowler through the covers. A dot ball there.
सिगरेट दियो कान में दम करता रहा पहले सिगरेट तो वो है खुद नहीं दिया 3-4 दिया ना पिछले हफ्ते दिया नहीं दिया फिर सबसे सिगरेट पूछ रहा था
Again a full ball, not costing anything. The ball is driven straight towards long on for a single. Back on strike, but then the over is completed. A good over by Aftab there, not giving away much.
स्कोर बोलो
Is 9 overs gone, Mavericks 72 for no loss.
972
तानिश जुवी
नाइन ओवर हो गया
Zuvi is coming into the attack.
तानिश देख के
आंगला में 1 घंटा दबा के डीजे वाले का देना
डीजे वाला के डीजे वाला ऐसा क्या हुआ 1500 रुपए पेमेंट भी करा मैं
डीजे का
A short ball to start with for Zuvi, pulled away towards the cow corner.
क्या बोलेगा
Single taken. Good shot by Srikar there.
एक दिन का
It was an absolute sitter. The ball sitting
अपना ही चल
to be hit. Srikar had all the time in the world.
अगर तो कल लग रहा है
A short ball again, hit in the air. And the fielder drops the catch, giving Mukaram a life.
ढाई चल का
आराम से मुकरम
Mukaram goes for the
मिलता
single.
चाहिए
टाइम लो कोई बात नहीं
यहाँ से मिलता कहाँ मैं बोलता तो
The fielder came running down. It was an easy catch to be taken. It was in the air for a long time.
ये डीजे 500 में मिलता हम लोग दावत
And he drops a single to give Mukaram a life. And allows him to score more runs and more boundaries at will.
कल लेके आता 500
सर का तो हम ज्यादा रह गए
A short ball again. To the square leg area for a single.
हाँ यादव मुल्ला में मिले
The batsman another run, if not for another chance for Mukaram. There was a level play on the fielder was lazy enough not to release the ball. Again, almost a short goal towards the third man for a single.
আড়াই আটটায় বক্স হলে মনে হয় দিয়ানটা একটা 4 বড় চলে আসবে টপ টপ বেস চলে আসবে 6 পিস 4 পিস বেস 4 পিস টপ
Again, it was a slow ball. The bowler trying his best to bowl fast. Hit towards the square leg area for a single by Shrikar.
Check the field, check the field. Caps are there, come on boys.
কাল ম্যাচ নেই
Ball of the over coming up. There are a lot of vacant areas to be hit. Mukarram is looking at the field.
सबसे बड़ा
Huge gaps on the leg side.
लेफ्ट टाइम को मैं गोल को गोल सिल्वर लेफ्ट टाइम
On the outside again. It was hit through the point. There was a chance again. But there is another drop catch for Mukarram there. And Mukarram taking a single.
సెకండ్ డ్రాప్
This was not as easy as the first one, but nevertheless a drop again. So 10 overs gone, Mavericks at 77 for no loss. Shrikar batting on 31, Mukarram batting on 44. A beautiful partnership by these two batsmen in the middle. 78 for no loss after 10 overs.
उनका साउंड नहीं आ रहा, वो लोग लिरिक्स चल रहा
ఆనంద్ ఎంపైర్ సబ్జెక్షన్ చేస్తున్నారు
गजब तो गजब बड़ा बोले तो भाई बहुत बड़ा बड़ा लीग आता है यहाँ पे
कहाँ पे मिलता
हमें मिलता जी
दिला साहब दिला साहब
मैं बात करते हैं
चलो मैं साथ सकता हूँ
अरे ये स्कूटी दियो पहले
अजीम भाई गाड़ी की चाबी दो ना आपकी वो बैग लेके जाइए ये से अजीम भाई चाबी ले लिया
No, he's actually going. He's trying to hit the short flow, but then not the time to hit shots. I mean, he's placing them really good. It's just that he can come over down the order.
टाइम कितना हुआ
12 बजे
पेट बंद हो जाता अभी तुम 3 बजे मेरा सच्चा है
अरे भूलने के बाद था
अरे भाई माँ की कसम तुमको लेके जाके बात कर रहा 3 बजे फिर आता हूँ इलेक्ट्रिक वाला हो यहाँ पे मेरा बच्चा का तो दाऊद क्या बोलता है उसको खाना खरीदने के बाद जो होता ना 7 महीने में किया ना वहाँ पे डीजे लेके 500 रुपए लिए
उन्हें गाने उन्हें लगाया
गाने बोले ये पूरा नहीं हम लोग मोबाइल से लगाया था ले लिया बोले तो
वापस करा दिया
वापस करो 500 ले लो पूरा ले लो हमारे पास साउंड है भाई
हेलमेट पीछे देखो
ये भैया
पता नहीं कांदा था चिकन
चाबी की गाड़ी में लगी नहीं देखो
भाई अभी प्लेन से पानी लेके आने में टाइम लगता है क्लीन वाटर అంటే క్లీన్ వాటర్ మెయిన్ చేయడం బ్యాడ్ अरे पीछे हमारा भाई क्या अरे बोलो भाई यार ये किस तरह
गाड़ी देने वो गाड़ी देने को
अभी दूसरे के पास किसके भी नहीं है
पता नहीं यहीं देखो ना
मिला भी ना गाड़ी की चाबी
ఏంది अपनी प्रॉब्लम है ఇప్పుడు ఏదోనే प्रॉब्लम है డబుల్ యాక్షన్ నేనేమన్నా నువ్వు అంటున్నావు
मिल गया चाबी
नहीं भाई कहाँ गई उसमें रखा मैं दिख रही पानी है उसमें
इधर नहीं आ रहा है कैसे ना बच्चे बस लास्ट में
ఏ ఏ ఏం కావాలి ఎక్కడ కావాలి నరేనా
వైట్ కలర్ మార్క్
That's a great show from Mavericks, batsman.
तो बड़ा डे जाता
बिटो
Also, real good. Because somebody, because I have had that click from create one as well as shoulder is like not yet like.
अफ्ताब भाई चाबी भी नहीं मिली वहाँ
चाटी
भैया सीधर से
काची चाकू
अरे कैंची लेके आ
नीचे हम लोग खराब कर देते हैं हम लोग
अरे चाकू
छोड़ देता हूँ छोड़
अजीम अजीम जरा गाड़ी की चाबी दो ना माँ कोशिश
नहीं मिली
नहीं समझ में नहीं आ रहा बैग
नहीं दे उन्होंने आके भी देखे नहीं मिली
देख लगा
नहीं अजीम को पूछो
अजीब क्यों तो बोलो आके देखा फोर व्हीलर में जाके नहीं उसकी तो जाके
हाँ
They end up playing Mavericks 7 are like 78 for 0.
बॉलर ना हाँ यहाँ पे है
Bowler name Apta.
चल
अबू इवच कर नुबे
हमसे यहाँ पे काम करता
भाई स्ट्राइक पे स्पीकर बोल के आया देखो
ए बाबू स्ट्राइक चेंज करना कहते देखो हाँ
It's a great running between the wickets from Bukharam and Shrikar. Trying to steal Lanka's wicket. But Shrikar denies. The batsmen are well steadied, taking quick signals and putting pressure on the bowler.
It seems like you are taking pressure, man. You have to put some voice into it. I'm very low on it.
Coming down the wicket, hitting in the air, and the boundary for Shrikar. He's changing his gear, hitting the ball in the air to the boundaries now. And the Mavericks captain, he's not able to take the voice in his ears, running away from the commentary section.
Did you tell what I told? Thanks to organizer from changing from Glucon-D to Litchi. Yes.
अच्छा अच्छा
And the Mavericks captain is thanking the organizers for changing it from Glucon-D to Litchi. Good length ball, turning towards fine leg area for a single by Shrikar. Good fielding there by the short fine leg fielder. And a nice throw by Dwayne Ditton. After bowling the Guru. And it's given away, it's given out by the umpire. Given LBW by the umpire. Mukaram is out. After Mukaram out for 45 runs of 32 balls with 7 boundaries and a strike rate of 140 to both with. He gave a great start to the Mavericks team. He did give his head high for the 45 runs he scored. He battled with the grounds, took the hard runs, took the ones. Good effort by Mukaram. Naveen Alluri, the new batsman for Mavericks. He will be on strike.
టేప్ ఉండదు మొత్తం చిన్నగా కొంచెం కావాలంటే ఇస్తా మొత్తం
A short ball again to start with to Naveen, who hits it towards the point region.
क्या हुआ मां?
After falling again on good length area and a single steal in front of it to keep the strike of the last ball. Good running between the wickets, good calling by Shrikar. And the score stands at 85 for 1 wicket after 11 overs for the Mavericks. It was good over by Aftab, even after getting the boundary, keeping the runs to a twinkle.
Successful over for unknown 11.
He took the wicket of the danger, who was going all guns blazing there. Zubi to continue from the sunrise end. Short ball again to start with, and a single taken by Naren. Good throw to the keeper. That's a good bounce from a good length area there from Zubi. That was an epic ball.
Shrikar was not expecting it.
Short ball again. And it's a 4. 4 towards the square leg area. It could have been stopped by the fielder, but then the fielder lost sight of the ball.
Shrikar एक बढ़िया
शॉट खेलते हुए పబ్లిక్ డిమాండ్ కొరకు తెలుగులో కామెంటరీ. స్వచ్ఛమైన తెలుగు రానందున కొంచెం ఆంగ్లంలో చెప్తాను. షార్ట్ బాల్ వేసాడు బౌలర్, మళ్ళీ జూరీ షార్ట్ బాల్ వేసాడు. శ్రీకర్ గారిని తిప్పి కొడదామని చూశాడు కానీ కొట్టలేకపోయాడు.
చెన్నై సూపర్ కింగ్స్
ఇన్సైడ్ ఎడ్జ్ అయింది. మళ్ళీ షార్ట్ బాల్ వేసాడు, మళ్ళీ కొడదామని చూశాడు శ్రీకర్ కానీ కనెక్ట్ అవ్వలేదు. మంచి ఫీల్డ్ ప్లేస్మెంట్, మంచి బౌలింగ్ జూబీ ద్వారా. ఇంకో షార్ట్ బాల్ వేసాడు, ఫోర్ రన్స్ కొట్టాడు శ్రీకర్. ఇక్కడ చాలా మంచి టైమింగ్, బౌండరీ వైపు దూసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది బంతి. మంచి మంచి టైమింగ్ తో కొట్టాడు. ఫీల్డర్లు అందరూ అసలు కదలకుండా బాల్ ని చూస్తూనే ఉన్నారు. 12 overs తర్వాత Mavericks team 94 runs for 1 wicket.
గుడ్ గోయింగ్ గైస్.
भाई सुबह है ना बॉलर का नाम
नहीं नहीं शफी है सर.
क्या नाम? शफी.
अब्दुल शफी.
बी केयरफुल दानिश.
New bowler Mohammad Abdul Shafi. ఫీల్డర్ కదలడంతో బౌలర్ బాల్ అయ్యకుండా ఆడిపోయారు. నరేన్ స్ట్రైక్ పైన ఉన్నారు. ఫుల్ బాల్ ఆన్ ద లెగ్స్. బౌలర్ అపీల్ చేస్తున్నారు ఎల్బిడబ్ల్యూ కోసం. గోయింగ్ డౌన్ ద లెగ్ సైడ్ అని చెప్పారు అంపైర్.
ఆల్రెడీ చేస్తున్నాం కదా
Almost a full toss by the umpire. మళ్ళీ కాళ్ళకర్లి ఫైన్ లెగ్ వైపు వెళ్ళింది బాల్. బౌలర్ అపీల్ చేస్తున్నారు. అంపైర్ డౌన్ ద లెగ్ సైడ్ అని చెప్పారు. సింగిల్ తీసుకున్నారు నెక్స్ట్ బ్యాట్స్మెన్. లెగ్ బాయ్ సిగ్నల్ చేస్తున్నారు అంపైర్.
दानिश लेग बाय देखो
రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ ఉండాలి నువ్వు లెఫ్ట్ పెట్టకూడదు స్ప్రే కావాలా వేసుకో స్ప్రే కావాలి కదా వెళ్దాం వాకింగ్
Full ball through the offside for four. Long off. మంచి కవర్ డ్రైవ్ కొట్టారు శ్రీకర్. ఇక్కడ మంచి ఫామ్ లో కనిపిస్తున్నారు. లాంగ్ ఆఫ్ పై నుంచి 4 గా కొట్టారు. లాంగ్ ఆఫ్ ఫీల్డర్ లేకపోవడం వాళ్ళకి బాగా కలిసి రాలేదు. మెల్లిగా శ్రీకర్ తన 50 వైపు దూసుకెళ్తున్నారు.
అటు అటు ఆడుకో బ్రదర్. అక్కడైతే ఈజీగా ఆడుకోవచ్చు మీరు. అక్కడ
అక్కడైతే ఇలా లేస్తే వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. ఇది బెస్ట్.
అక్కడైతే వద్దులే.
సైడ్ పాకెట్ లో స్ప్రే లేదురా.
Almost over Yorker length face to bowler. Back gala inside చేయాలా వెళ్ళిపోతుంది. 2 runs తీసుకున్నారు అక్కడ బ్యాట్స్మెన్. It's a 50 for Shrikar. 50 runs scored by Shrikar there. 100 for Mavericks and 50 for Shrikar.
Ask him to lift his bat, bro. Ask him to
50
lift his
runs of
bat.
40 balls with 6 balls.
Shrikar.
Mavericks 101 after 100 runs reach అయిపోయారు.
Too much. Sober simplicity.
మళ్ళీ ఒక గుడ్ లెంత్ బాల్ వేస్తూ ఈజీగా సింగిల్ తీసుకున్నారు నరేన్. అక్కడ గుడ్ కాలింగ్ బిట్వీన్ బోత్ ద బ్యాట్స్మెన్. గుడ్ రన్నింగ్ బిట్వీన్ ద వికెట్. మంచి అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఉంది ఇద్దరి మధ్యలో. It was any మంచి సింగిల్ అక్కడ ఇద్దరు పరిగెత్తు తీసుకున్నారు. శ్రీకర్ షార్ట్ మిడ్ వికెట్ వైపు షార్ట్ కవర్స్ వైపు ఈజీగా అడాప్ట్ చేసి సింగిల్ తీసుకున్నారు. మంచి రన్నింగ్ బిట్వీన్ ద వికెట్. After 30 overs 103 for 1 wicket.
मुबशिर
नए बॉलर मुबाशिर बॉलिंग करने आ रहे हैं.
ఓవర్స్
अरे ब्यूटी मैन.
गुड लेंथ बॉल को लेग साइड की तरफ घुमा दिया है बैट्समैन ने. इजी 2 रन थे लेकिन एक ही रन से संतुष्ट होना पड़ेगा. नरेन या सूझबूझ से बैटिंग करते हुए श्रीकर को स्ट्राइक दे रहे हैं, जो एक बढ़िया फॉर्म में नजर आ रहे हैं आज। आगे बढ़ के घुमाते हुए श्रीकर कर्व कॉर्नर की तरफ घुमा दिया है 1 रन के लिए।
स्पीकर एग्रेसिव गया तो सेंचुरी भी मार लेता। स्पीकर एग्रेसिव गया तो सेंचुरी भी मार लेता। लाला 5 रन थे लाला। हाँ देखा मैं तकलीफ। अरे बाप रे।
मैं इनको बोला आप आ जाओ, बाद में जा सकते, थोड़ा रिप्ले लेके बोल अरे नहीं मैं खेलता हूं, खड़े हो।
और एक बढ़िया बॉल मुबाशिर के द्वारा बॉल करते हुए बैट्समैन को नरेन यहाँ आउट होने।
आता कि नहीं आता कि साला।
नरेन स्कोर बढ़ाने के चक्कर में घुमा रहे थे और आउट हो गए। दूसरा विकेट गंवाते हुए मेवरिक्स
दुकान 500 रुपए में बोल रहा था।
चूतिया उन्हें फेंकते रहता हूँ मेरे बड़े बड़े फेंकता नहीं।
105 for 2 Mavericks।
सकता 2000 में मिलता था।
2000 से नीचे तो एक दिन नहीं देता हूँ यहाँ पे। पागल है तो चांस चालू किया ही पुट्टे स्कोर हाफ सेंचुरी मार दिया स्टिकर।
किसका है? छोड़ दे। एक मिनट उठा।
New batsman in the Mavericks, Praveen Macha, the captain of Mavericks. Macha on the field, boys.
फ्लोर बना नरेन।
Good ball by Mubashir Jaya. Rushing Praveen on the stroke.
मैं तो रहने देंगे यार, कल सेट देखी। हाँ
Praveen is new to the crease, so Mubashir trying his best to intimidate the batsman.
पहले एम्पलीफायर चेंज कर बोल के बोला उसने।
An absolute slow ball there, missing his line on the slower delivery, giving away an extra there in the form of a wide. A full toss, which is turned away by Praveen for 4. It was a full toss. The batsman was looking at the umpire for any kind of a signal. The umpire says it's a legal delivery. It's a 4 towards fine leg. Praveen starting his account with a boundary there.
लाला देखो
Mubashir Adin in his line, bowling down the next side.
निकलने से पहले फोन कर।
भाई भाई ये देखो।
A good ball there by the batsman. Praveen calling for a quick single there. The batting team stealing the single there. Beautiful run in between the wickets. A good call there.
पहले नहीं माना आके वो।
And after 14 overs, Mavericks are at 1-1-1 for 2.
देखो कहाँ पे पूछा जाएगा उसको। इधर इधर।
It's the last 6 overs, the business time for the Mavericks batsmen. The business end of the innings now. It's going to be interesting with Streaker after scoring his 50 on a song.
హలో ఆనంద్ వస్తున్నావా? తీసుకోతా అంటే మంచిదే, వీళ్ళు ఇట్లా అబ్జెక్షన్ చేస్తుండలే. చిన్నది నేను మీకు చూపించిన కదా అది అది చాలు, ఇంకా ఇది ఎక్కువ వద్దు వద్దు అంటున్నారు. అందుకే వచ్చేయాలి తీసుకెళ్ళేందుకు అనవసరం. నీకు కష్టం నాకు కష్టం.
Again a single taken by Praveen. Good running between the wickets by Praveen and Streaker.
ఏంటంటే సరేలే నీకు ఇష్టం నేను ఎందుకు వద్దన్నా.
Shafi bowling a good over here.
1500 సేమ్ అదే నెంబర్కి ఫోన్ పే.
Trying to restrict the batsman.
టేబుల్స్ ఉండండి ఆనంద్, నేను ఇచ్చేస్తా మరి.
There is no one covering the boundary on the offside.
నేను ఇచ్చేస్తా.
And it's a wide given by Shafi there, trying to ensure that the batsman doesn't score. He erred in his line, bowling way too wide there and giving an extra. That's a beautiful shot by Sridhar in the air.
अरे अरे
And the fielder not going for the catch. Instead, they were happy to give away the single. Sridhar has done a great shot there, and this could hurt the team really bad because he can score.
ओ यार
It's a wide again. Is it a wide? Waiting for the umpire signal.
it's a bite.
It's given as a bias. It's not a wide. It's given as a bias by the umpire. But extras nevertheless. The wicket keeper missing it.
किसान कहाँ तो भी है पॉइंट पे
Again, Shafiq Ryan bowling the hard left. Dab towards the point region. No run there. If you look at Shafiq's bowling, whenever he's bowling this ball, there are no runs scored. I think he should stick with this kind of a ball.
160 जाता आराम
This time Shafiq gets a wicket. The dangerous streaker is out. Taken by the wicket keeper. A good catch there.
जाने तो प्ले
Streaker had to go for the runs there.
कंटिन्यूस रहने दो
और रहने दो भाई ये इस पे रहने दो
Streaker coming out after scoring a beautiful 50. Streaker out for 53 runs of 45 balls, scoring 6 boundaries.
बैटिंग बैटिंग श्रीकर మైక్ నాది నా దాంట్లో నేను చేసుకుంటా సాంగ్స్ కోసం సాంగ్ అవుట్పుట్ సరిగ్గా వస్తలేదు ఆయన పెట్టుకోమని చెప్పింది సరే నువ్వైతే రా ఒకసారి అది యాంప్లిఫైర్ చేంజ్ చేసుకోవడానికి ఓకే అన్న
Emil is the new batsman for Maverick.
ఇంకా देखने
Good ball by Praveen. Nudge towards the leg side for a single. Are they going to take the second run? No is the call from Emil.
लगा लेता हूँ अच्छा लेने का तो
Emil is on strike now.
दानिश स्कोर कितना बेटे
After 15.1 overs, Mavericks are at 116 for 3.
हाँ और 5 ओवर है 160 भी जा सकता ट्राई करे अरे एमिल गया ना खेलता लो मगर
Emil taking his time. Mubashir to start with the second ball.
अरे अरे अरे
A good ball by Mubashir. Driven in the air by Emil towards the cow corner. He is happy with the single. Good throw by the fielder directly to the keeper. That was a gun arm by the fielder there. Telling the batsman that if you take on my arm, I can throw down the wickets.
एक्सेलेंट एक्सेलेंट बॉय
Good bowling by Mubashir, but then a great shot by Praveen, cutting the ball towards the boundary. Here's the point region. A great shot by Macha, whistle Podo.
Whistle Podo.
Nalla irukka shot Macha, nalla irukka. A slow ball by Mubashir over here. Looks like it touched the batsman's head or his bat on the way to the keeper. No signal by the umpire. It's a dot ball. A great shot by, great bowling by the. It's an absolute great fielding by the team. Praveen was looking to take a quick single there. It was a good call by Amin. The new batsman's name is Srinivas Rao. The score stands at
Last ball,
15.5 overs. Everything set 121
Last ball.
121 for 4. Last ball of the over coming up. Amin on strike.
एक सेकेंड क्या
पकड़ लिया फिसल गया ना
देख के बेटे सुपर साबिन
Super sub is in.
प्लेयर गॉट इंजर्ड इट सीम्स
Super sub, not substitute. Super sub is bowling. Sorry. Chana super sub. అందుకనే నేను కూర్చుంటాను వాళ్ళు వచ్చేస్తారు
Good shot by Emil there. There was a confusion between the runners. It is an overthrow.
Nice running ball.
Easy extra given by the fielding team out here. It was only a single. The fielder is not ringing. Emil is looking to take another run there. 2 runs taken on the last ball. Mavericks at 123 for 4 wickets after 16 overs. Srinivas Yadav to be on strike.
I didn't want that to
He didn't respond only.
I didn't respond only. Emil was. Then I want him to be there. Emil was like bouncing on the.
It was a single was there to be taken, but he was not ready. He was like, no.
He was beneath me.
After to start another over. It was a good shot by Srinivas Yadav. The ball is running towards the boundary. On top of the fielder there. Good shot by Srinivas. A boundary to start with the first ball. Towards the finding area of the board. Good bowling by Aftab there, rushing the batsman with his pace. The batsman was trying to swing his arms, but was beaten for sheer pace there. Emil trying to calm Srinivas Yadav. He is telling the batsman to just dab the run towards the offside and run. Offside touches Pargathamantal Srinivas. Srinivas hitting the ball in the air. A beautiful run towards the square area. A beautiful shot for the boundary again. After pitching, after picking the ball up, it was going to batsman the outside for the air. Again, beautiful shot by Srinivas Yadav. Srinivas Yadav, tippy forward here. Asariyavati Margaret, mood ballalo, mood ball, mood ball, 6 goals ready. This time, the ball going over the batsman's back, so no harm done there. After got a good ball here, a dot ball.
Good going, good going.
आप किधर है?
Come on, boys, come on, boys.
It's a beautiful shot by Srinivas, hitting the ball out of the park there. Looks like he's lost the ball. The ball is lost into another ground. He's hit that into the orbit, onto Jupiter there.
Over. Yes, over. That is right.
आगे इसको 143 4 विकेट
ओए बॉल गुड मॉर्निंग
बैटिंग बॉय